Okay, so when we talk about brand Mahindra, what comes to our mind? Cars like, which are built like a tank, SUV cars like Scorpio, XUV 700, Thar, all these cars which are used for family, which are used for off-roading, rugged purposes. It gives them total Indian Papaji driver vibes, but let's be honest, we never think of Mahindra building a super aerodynamic, sleek cars, a true super halo car. So today we are going to talk on totally a what if scenario if Mahindra builds that supercar. And actually Mahindra can do that because Mahindra has all the ingredients set in their own kitchen. So please karo. Okay, so let's talk on design first. And here comes the best part. Mahindra owns the legendary designing house Pininfarina. Yes, Pininfarina. It's been owned by Mahindra. हाँ भाई अपनी ही कंपनी है अभी है. And if you don't know Pininfarina, it's the designing house, the legendary designing house, which is responsible for giving us some of the best Ferraris of all time, like Ferrari 458 and LaFerrari. But I personally feel like Mahindra is underutilizing the power of Pininfarina. They are just using it for minor detailing in their tanks. And I feel like, Mahindra just give a blank check to Pininfarina and full freedom to design a car and see what they'll bring up to you. But a supercar can't just have a pretty face, it need a great soul. We need that angry sound in that supercar. And here comes the Mahindra's second biggest asset, which is one of their best engine lineup, which is M Stallion turbocharged 2-liter petrol engine. So right now this engine produces 200 horsepower, but if we take aggressive camshaft, a forged piston and a turbocharger and obviously a raised redline of 8000 rpm, this is gonna give us a pure 350 horsepower into our rear wheels through a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. And this is not gonna move, this is gonna fly off. Wait. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking 350 horsepower for a supercar. Come on, man, that's not enough. I know that. But here comes the best second asset of Mahindra, and that is Mahindra Formula E. Yes, if you don't know, Mahindra is competing in Formula E for more than a decade, and हम वहाँ पे literally मचा रहे हैं. If you don't know, just check it out, man. And I feel कि अगर वो बैटरी टेक्नोलॉजी हम इस कार में लेके आ गए and make this a hybrid supercar, this is gonna give us an 600 to 650 horsepower, which would be more than enough for Indian roads and like पब्लिक मोड के देखने वाली है यार. सो महिंद्रा प्लीज, इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, प्लीज मेक दिस थिंग मैन. वी कैन set and totally different standard for Indian engineering in the global world. We can compete with Ferrari and Lamborghini. So please Mahindra, go for it. So we have taken this one step ahead, and as you can see we have generated few AI images which looks very pretty. And you can see those spoilers, those high mounted exhaust. Oh, they are looking just amazing. And this second one is personally my favorite because this is giving a more of an elegant futuristic vibe, a pure vibe for a hybrid car, and those red calipers are the cherry on top. So if you like that video, just hit that subscribe button, and if you have anything in your head, just comment down so we'll make a video on that too. And yeah, just subscribe me and give it a like so that I stay motivated to bring you more videos like this. Bye.